Okay friends, welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and More. This is a review, however, this is not sponsored. My husband and I purchased this on our own. He heard it from a co-worker, a friend of his. It is the Catfish Pool Blaster, and we're about to get this pool clean. So just make sure that your catfish is under the water, hit the red on button, and then you go at it. There's leaves in the pool because we had a lot of rain recently, so we gotta get those leaves up out of the pool, along with all the dirt. Three days of rain wreaked havoc on our nice clean pool, but it's about to be again thanks to Catfish. I will put the link down below for Amazon so you guys can go and check one out for yourself. Works really well, it's quiet, and it definitely gets the job done. And then to get it off, to clean it, you're just gonna press this button right here. This will pop off, and then you can see all the dirt down in there, and you're simply just going to take that filter out. Just pull that filter out right there, and then just wash it with your hose in your backyard. Clean it out really good and let it dry, and then put it back in. Be sure to let it dry before you put it back in.